Your iPhone lock screen looks clean, but it's missing the one important detail, your name. If you ever lose your phone, that tiny piece of info could be the reason it gets returned. Most users skip it without realizing how useful it really is. The good news, adding your name takes less than a minute, and it could save you a lot of stress. Let's set it up right now. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, tap on General. Then tap on About. Here you will see the Name option. Tap on it. Now enter your name here. After this, tap the tick mark from the keyboard, and your name has been added. Now you have to add this name to your lock screen. To do that, lock your screen first. Then tap on the power button. Now press on the empty place on the screen. Enter your passcode if it asks. Then tap on Customize here. Now tap on Add Widgets. Scroll down, find the batteries. Tap on it. Here you need to choose both. Then close it. Again, tap Close. Now tap Done from the top right corner. Now check your lock screen, and here it is. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and take care.